Today we are going to talk about layouting and organizing your talk. It is one of the most pivotal points which can make your speech go from an extremely good speech to something that goes terribly wrong. Hello everyone, I am Ajinkya, author of the Connect to Lead, and in this video series I teach you the basics of communication. How important is layouting the talk? It is extremely important. Have you seen someone who was given a 10-minute slot who overshot on the time by a huge margin and then ended up saying, and that is how I end my 2 words? It wasn't really a good experience listening to such a speaker, right? That is the reason why you need to understand that layouting is a must. I generally tell that the layout should be done in 3 phases: the introduction, the middle or the content part, and the close. It is important that in the given time period you are able to cover the entire of these three verticals. Your introduction should cover and touch upon the motivation of the speakers. It should tell the audience why is it important that they listen to you. It should spark some amount of curiosity in them. It should get them involved in the topic. The middle is what your content is. The content of your talk, the subject that you are talking about, the whole part of it is what comes in middle. You just cannot start by right away on your topic. You have to have a start which gives enough amount of curiosity to the audience to listen up to you. Then the content part, something that they are going to understand, listen, and something that you are expert in, the reason why you have been called upon the stage. And the most important, the end part. A lot of speakers miss this. You might have seen this, or maybe this would have happened with you, wherein you started a speech, it is going fantastic, and then just somewhere you realize that the time is up, and then you have to end your talk and you say, okay, that is how that is the message I wanted to give you today, and we'll thank you or something like that. It is not right. You do not have abrupt ends to any of your public speeches. You need to have it well planned earlier. The end should be something which gives the audience a takeaway message. You should be able to sum up everything that you have said and leave the audience with something to think about or something, a message to carry away from. That's the end of your part. Now you have to ensure that the time frame that you have given fits all these 3 parts. So if you are asked 10 minutes, you could allot 1.52 minutes to the start, another 1.52 minutes to the end, while the next 6 minutes go to the content. This was my message for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.